Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Straight Ahead Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today I'm showing you guys the strongest transfer in the world. Guys, we need you to do a 60-second video, 60 seconds or less, 60 seconds or less video of you guys testing our transfers by doing amazing stretch tests. Do a stretch test, show us, hey, listen, this stretch crazy. Send it to us on Instagram, send it to us on email. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Remember, you can also get our transfers right now, 22 by 24. Our DTF transfers are only $19.99, guys. Go get the transfers, press them on your garments, and do a stretch test, please. We need to know. We want the world to see that we have the strongest transfer in the world, guys. Go do it right now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that stretch. Look at that stretch, guys. Tell us we're not the strongest in the world. Prove it. Prove it. Prove it. Test our transfers, guys. FlashCustomTransfers.com. Check us out.
Flash Custom Transfers. These are the first two shirts I got from you because you actually pressed them for me. But these are the first images I got. I got Bruce Lee and I got Beast Mode. And these were done probably early of this year when I first started working with you. So we're going to put them through the stretch test. We'll start with Bruce Lee. We're going to do sideways too. Now beast mode. And sideways. Still no cracks. They're both in great shape. Now the shirt's probably a size bigger, but the transfer is still good. Thank you.
Today we're going to be doing Flash Custom Stretch Challenge. So we're going to stretch it so y'all can see. And this is it stretches that much. As y'all can see, both of us were pulling it like we were playing tug of war. And there's nothing going on with the image. It looks nice still.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Anyway, I'm doing a quick little Flash Custom Transfers stretch test. They are doing kind of like a little contest thingy, who does the best stretch, whatever. Anyway, sorry about the lighting, kind of sucks, but let's give this a stretch. All right, let's take a look. Stretching, look at that. I'm stretching. Anyway, this is a good stretch test. So any of you that are interested in getting some DTF transfers, they're definitely a company to check out. So yeah, I'm stretching. Check it. Anyway, yeah, like I said, go check them out. I'm done here. So peace out, people.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Who the system